Hi, my name is Hector, and I'll be going over the design choices I made for my data infographic on gigabit internet. The story I'm trying to tell is about an emerging technology, and my audience is internet users, especially ones that don't keep up with the latest tech. It's color. I chose to use a color wheel, which is using one color but varying in saturation. This was done to achieve harmony. Harmony meaning that visuals are experienced as presenting a sense of order. Blue was chosen because it is often related to technology. Visual hierarchy is used. We start at the top and we see a title that is meant to get the attention of the reader. Scrolling down, we see focal points. Focal points carry visual weight that draw you to notice them. I used different color and larger text to achieve this. Similarity is another design choice I used. Similarity tells us that objects that look similar are perceived as a group or pattern. This is what I did with these, but I made sure that one was bigger in order to distinguish a difference. Figures and graphics were always picked over words to ensure that the emphasis was on the data and not anything else. Traditional graphics were kept to a minimum and only used when appropriate, like this bar chart. Thank you for listening. I am happy to answer any questions you might have, and I am open to any feedback on my design choices.